Today I am reviewing the ASUS ROG GR70 Gaming Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are tired of looking at a massive, dust-collecting tower on your desk, but you are not ready to sacrifice your frame rates for the sake of a smaller footprint, the ASUS ROG GR70 might just be the pivot point you have been waiting for. I've spent the last 2 weeks putting this machine through its paces, and while it is genuinely impressive, it is not the perfect desktop replacement for everyone. You can check the link below the video if you want to see the current pricing or explore the full specs, but for now, let's talk about what it is actually like to live with this thing. The first thing that hits you is the size. It is surprisingly dense. When you pick it up, it feels premium and substantial, not like some cheap plastic box. Getting the Ryzen 9 9955HX and an RTX 5070 mobile chip into a chassis this small is a technical feat, and for the most part, it works exactly as advertised. Gaming performance is snappy. I ran through a few sessions of Cyberpunk 2077 and Call of Duty, and I was consistently hitting high frame rates at 1440p. If you are a competitive gamer who prioritizes low latency and high refresh rates, this machine handles the heavy lifting without breaking a sweat. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 is a nice future-proofing touch, and I found the connection stability to be rock solid during online matches, which is often where these smaller systems tend to fall apart. However, we have to talk about the cooling. ASUS markets the QuietFlow system as deadly silent, and while it is certainly quieter than a standard full-tower PC with aggressive custom fan curves, it is not invisible. When you are pushing the 5070 and that Ryzen 9 during a long rendering session or a high-end gaming marathon, you will hear a distinct hum. It is a smooth, consistent sound rather than a high-pitched whine, which I appreciate, but do not go into this expecting a silent PC under load. It is physically impossible to shove this much power into a compact silver box without moving some air, and you will hear that air moving. The port selection is another area where this machine shines. I am often frustrated by mini PCs that force me to live behind a dongle hell nightmare, but the GR70 has enough I/O to satisfy my dual monitor setup, a mechanical keyboard, a wireless mouse dongle, and an external DAC without needing a hub. That is a huge practical win for anyone trying to keep their desk clean. Now here is the honest truth about the downsides. This is a mobile-grade GPU and a high-performance mobile processor in a desktop shell. That means you are essentially buying a laptop that cannot be folded. You are locked into these components. If you are the type of person who loves to swap out your graphics card every 2 years or upgrade your CPU to the latest generation, this is not the machine for you. You are paying for the convenience, the aesthetic, and the engineering that makes this size possible. If you're looking for long-term modularity, you are better off building a standard IDX rig. Another thing that might disappoint some users is the thermal headroom. Because it is so compact, the components do run hot, and the system is tuned to prioritize stability over absolute peak clock speed. You are getting fantastic performance, but you aren't going to see the same overclocking potential you would get in a full-sized rig with a massive liquid cooler. For 95% of users, this is a non-issue, but for the enthusiast who wants to squeeze every last percentage point of performance out of their silicon, it might feel a bit limiting. The ARGB lighting is tasteful, which is a relief. ASUS kept it subtle enough that it looks like a high-end piece of hardware rather than a neon sign on your desk. It is a sleek, professional look that fits just as well in a home office as it does in a dedicated gaming setup. So, who is this actually for? I think the ROG GR70 is perfect for the gamer who has limited desk space or the professional who needs a powerful workstation that can be easily tucked away or even tossed in a bag for travel. It is a fantastic bridge between the power of a desktop and the portability of a laptop. If you value a clean, minimalist workspace and you don't care about internal upgrades, this is a top-tier choice. You can head over to the link below the video to check out the current price and see if the configuration matches your specific needs. Ultimately, my experience with the GR70 has been overwhelmingly positive, but it is a specialized tool. It is not trying to be a DIY builder's dream. It is trying to be a high-performance, compact, and reliable machine that works the moment you plug it in. It achieves that goal, provided you understand the trade-offs of the form factor. It is powerful, it is efficient, and it looks great, but make sure you are okay with the closed ecosystem before you pull the trigger. If you have any questions about how it handled specific titles or how the thermals held up during your own potential use cases, drop a comment below, and I will do my best to answer.